Does your dog love being outside no matter the weather? My name is Kate with WTI and this is Toby, and he absolutely loves the outdoors, but as you know, it gets really cold in the winter. So this jacket from Lovelonglong has been awesome. The main reason that this jacket stood out to us was that it has legs. My dog is tall and lanky, he has very long legs and the curly fur, so that snow just sticks to it. So it's so nice to have a few extra inches of coverage that won't get all caked in snow. It's quite easy to put on. If your dog is squirmy, maybe start with his back legs so that the front legs are easy to put on, and then you just zip it up. Really simple, easy on and off. We got it in orange because we love that fluorescent color in the snow, but it does come in many options and many sizes. Our dog is in the 2XL. He's about 30 pounds, but like I said, he's very long. So we went by that measurement. There is definitely extra room in the belly if you were to gain some weight. It also has some reflective little strips on here if you're taking them out in the dark. This definitely extends his outdoor time. It keeps him nice and cozy. It's got a nice cushion to it, blocks the wind, does everything we need to do so that he can stay with us outside while we're enjoying the snow, and that's my point of view.